there are some economies, and the Chinese economy is one of them, that has already reached the level of output that it had prior to the crisis in the second quarter of last year. I think the fact that China is one of the producers of a vaccine and has been active and willing to also help others is an important thing, and we would encourage that. We would say that it would be important for China to be one of the champions of that global multilateral cooperation on the vaccine front. China plays a critical role in the supply chains, and we hope that is another aspect which would go on and would strengthen. And last but not least, in the area of debt, resolving debt issues, I think China has an important role to play there. And I did forget the climate part, where again China can do a lot in terms of being again the catalyst or the champion for change at the global level.